Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to enable color, image, and label swatches plugin for WooCommerce variable products. This feature allows your customers to see product variations visually through color swatches, images, or labels instead of plain drop-down menus, making the shopping experience much more intuitive and engaging. First, open a browser and head to WordPress.com. If you haven't logged into your account yet, go ahead and sign in now. This will take you to your WordPress dashboard where you can manage all aspects of your website and store. Once you're logged in, look at your left navigation menu where you'll find your WooCommerce menu options. This is your central hub for managing everything related to your online store. To enable color swatches on your WooCommerce store, we'll need to add a specific plugin that handles this functionality. From the left navigation menu, click on Plugins. You'll be presented with a list of all the plugins currently installed under your WooCommerce account. Here you can manage existing plugins and add new ones. From this section, locate the Add Plugin option in your left navigation menu and click on it. You'll now be directed to the Plugin section where you can browse and install additional WooCommerce features. This is where the magic happens. On this page, locate the search bar at the top and search for variation swatches for WooCommerce. Several results will appear, so make sure you're looking at the right one. Click on More Details to read through this plugin's functions and features. This gives you a better understanding of what the plugin offers and how it will enhance your store. Once you're ready and confident about the plugin, click on Install Now. The installation process will begin and should only take a few moments. Once the installation has finished, it's time to configure the plugin to work with your products. Head to your products page on the left navigation menu and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. From here, click on Attributes. This is where we'll create a color attribute that will enable the color swatches feature. On the attributes page, you'll see fields where you can create new attributes. In the name field, start by adding colors. Then in the slug field, type colors in lowercase. This ensures proper formatting and functionality. Now click on the type drop-down menu. From the available options, choose colors. This tells WooCommerce that this attribute will display as color swatches. Once everything is filled in correctly, click on the Add Attribute button at the bottom of the page. Once the colors attribute has been successfully added, you'll see it listed among your attributes. Hover your cursor over it, and on the right side, you'll notice additional options appear. Click on Configure Terms. This is where you'll set up the actual color options that customers will see. You'll notice that a color picker or palette has been added to the interface. Simply choose the color palette that you wish to display, and it will be presented as a color swatch for your product. Make sure to match the color name with the color palette to avoid any confusion. This is important because it ensures customers know exactly what they're selecting. Any item added within this attribute will automatically become a variable product, giving your customers a smooth and visual way to choose their preferred color option. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled color swatches for your WooCommerce variable products, making your store more visually appealing and user-friendly. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.